I just bought this new case. Very nice. Holds all my stuff. This last case was way too small. Only had one pocket, and I could only fit my picks. This is much bigger and holds just about everything I have. These are all my rake picks. These are the regular picks that I already had. Tension tools. I carry this around with me. It's a 1 GB memory storage holder for the computer, and I carry it around in case I need to show anybody anything. It's got all my videos on it. This is a new one I just bought. Handcuff pick. Very cool. I'm going to the Army Surplus store and I'll buy a pair of handcuffs and I'll make a video about that. It's also got my plug spinner in here and my Feather Touch tension tool under it. Auto jinglers, warded picks. Display case picks, you can't see it, they're black. Broken picks. This is a special tension tool for when a regular tension tool won't fit in the particular lock. So that's obviously a lot bigger, and it holds everything very nicely.